Hi, my name is Müge Belek Fialho Teixeira and I'm from QUT Interior Design.
So tell me, what are you most passionate about when it comes to interior design?
My passion is to create technology-driven, innovative and sustainable interior spaces that create unique bespoke experiences. So that's really my passion. I like to play with technology, create new material systems and then build these unique interior spaces.
And how does that fit into the overall ecology of the school?
I'm part of the architectural robotics research group, so I participate in the research where I use robotic arms and put different types of end effectors to the robot to make new material systems. So these could be 3D printing of new type of breeze blocks or creating lightweight pavilions with incremental sheet forming and any other thing that you might be thinking of. So I do a lot of research with material scientists, civil engineers to create novel material mixes that can create bespoke experiences, textures, materials, light conditions and colors, anything that you can think of related to interiors.
And then how does that research translate into real world impacts?
I think we really need to think about the way we build and design, especially in the field of interior, which is a bit consumerist. Like we see that trends come and go and interior spaces change maybe every 5 years or so. So we really need to think about the consumption and the impact we have on the environment. So my research and my PhD students' research, we look at how we can reuse materials, recycle materials. We look at circularity. We look at using these materials to create novel material experiences, and we use the robots to do that. So.
And within that, like, are there any really clear local and global trends happening at the moment in interiors?
Definitely, we see a lot of work with mycelium. So, for example, I participated in an entrepreneurship program called Care Factor, which was looking at aged care industry and innovations in aged care.
Yeah.
So we developed a new type of furniture that could adapt to the different people's ergonomy, but also we looked at materials that can replace the existing petrol-based foams.
Okay.
So we looked at mycelium as a cushioning foam.
What is mycelium?
Mycelium is basically mushroom.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. You're making interiors out of fungus?
Fungus, yeah, exactly. Yeah, so
That's wild.
It is wild, but it is very. It's a popular area of research nowadays. So because mycelium has this very rhizomatic root structure, it can eat up like materials that you want to get rid of. This could be organic matter, and then they grow its roots. So then it becomes like a material for architectural applications. So you can, once you are happy with the growth, you just bake it, and mycelium growth ends, and it builds this kind of a skin all over it, so that it becomes resilient to damages and stuff. So.
That's fantastic. And then could you use that to influence city making?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine we when we send our when we demolish a space, we just send everything to landfill, but it's organic with mycelium, right?
Yeah.
So we just have mushroom fields at the end.
Just generating the new city.
Yeah, just generating new cities. So I think we need to be thinking about concepts of circularity, like what happens at the end of the life cycle of interior space and our cities, and how can we, support biodiversity? How can we support the ecology that we live in? So we really need to have that systems thinking in our designs.
Yeah, I love that. And finally, why be a researcher or work with researchers from ABE?
I think we have the expertise and the skills, and we are passionate about what we do. So if you want to explore new things, and if you want to see the applied context, like definitely you should come and work with us, because we have experience working with industry. Even like with the aged care project, I had an industry partner called Healthcraft, So we always collaborate with industry to create our projects. I'm also part of the Australian Cobotics Center, where we are looking at how we can adopt cobotics into manufacturing industry, and we have a lot of industry partners there as well, like BNR, Stryker, so from different industries we collaborate. We are very experienced with industry research. I think that's one of the reasons why you should come and work with us. And yeah,
I completely agree.
let's see what the future brings for us.
Bring on the mushrooms.
Yeah, bring on the mushrooms.
Thank you.
Thank you.